Hey everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to crop an image in Google Docs. Super useful when you only want part of an image to show. If that sounds helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more Google Docs tips just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your Google Doc and insert an image. You can do that by going to Insert Image, then choose where you want to upload it from. Once the image is added, click on it once so it's selected. You'll see small blue squares appear around the image. Those are the resize handles, but don't use those for cropping. To actually crop the image, just double click on it. You'll notice the corners change. Now you'll see black bars instead of blue. These are the crop handles. Click and drag from any corner or side to crop the image the way you want. When you're done, click anywhere outside the image or just press Enter on your keyboard, and boom, your image is cropped. If you want to adjust it again later, just double-click the image again and you can modify the crop. That's it. It's a simple but powerful way to clean up your visuals inside Google Docs. Don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it helped. See you in the next one.